The detachable soft handle allows for safe and easy lifting of the unit. Attaching the handle is straightforward. No additional tools required. The 360-degree swivel wheels enable effortless mobility. The removable and washable filter ensures optimal air quality. The back of the dehumidifier features a humidity sensor that monitors the air moisture levels in real time. This is the drainage port, where a 3.28-foot drainage hose will be connected for efficient water removal. The 0.793-gallon removable water tank simplifies daily maintenance. Remove the protective film from the control panel to prepare for operation. When powered on, several function buttons are displayed. Dehumidification mode, fan speed control, humidity settings, a 24-hour timer, and sleep mode. A long press of 3 seconds activates the child lock, and another long press deactivates it. The indicator lights change color based on humidity levels. Blue for below 50%, green for 50 to 70%, and red for 70% and above. Thank you for watching.